When you hear my interview with Krista Mason-Smith in the Bahamas, you will hear her say that it was owing to the death penalty project that Vincent Aristi was able to bring his case to the Judicial Committee of the Privy Council. Without their help, he would likely still be in prison and still have the stain of a wrongful conviction on his life. There's a lot of things that we need to talk about in terms of access to justice in the Caribbean, but I must say, on record, even though it's just in passing, that doing this series has really caused me to develop a tremendous appreciation and respect for the death penalty project. Anyway, in Julian's case, they got an American professor by the name of Dr. Dan Crane to review the DNA evidence that sent him to prison. I interviewed Dr. Crane and we talk at length about his experience in Julian's case. So I won't play the full interview here, but suffice it to say, he found some problems in Julian Washington's case.